Unlocking Financial Freedom: How to Earn $10,000 Monthly Online. Hey there, fellow seekers of financial freedom. Today, we're diving into the realm of internet-based business, where the potential for substantial earnings meets the promise of leading a fulfilling life. I understand the struggle of feeling trapped in monotonous routines, but amidst it all, there lies an incredible opportunity in the digital landscape. Picture this: a world where a fraction of individuals not only make a substantial living online, but also lead lives brimming with purpose. It's not just a dream, it's entirely feasible. And I'm here to guide you on this journey. Let's kick things off with a monumental milestone: earning $10,000 a month in internet revenue. We're talking about tangible paths to financial success, leaving behind petty earnings and time-consuming surveys. One strategy that reigns supreme is what I like to call the symbiotic system. Let me paint you a picture with an example. Imagine owning a thriving YouTube channel dedicated to artificial intelligence. Yes, you can make money from it, but why stop there? Blogs, despite being established platforms, hold untapped potential. Imagine sharing your expertise with the world while still raking in the cash. And let's not forget about TikTok, a platform tailor-made for short, engaging content. Maximize your reach and earnings by repurposing your content and leveraging your existing YouTube presence. Forget about meager commissions. Opt for lucrative opportunities instead. For instance, endorsing a high-ticket $11,000 course and snagging a hefty 50% commission. Now let's talk efficiency. Method 8 is your go-to if you prioritize streamlining your processes. As your business expands and your profits soar, delegate those tedious tasks to free up your time. But if you're someone with more time than money to invest, Method 9 is the way to go. Dive into high-leverage ventures like owning a YouTube channel, where your efforts can yield substantial returns in the long run. Now, let's delve deeper into each method, breaking down actionable steps and sharing real-life success stories to inspire and guide you along the way. From optimizing your content strategy to mastering affiliate marketing tactics, we'll leave no stone unturned in our quest for online prosperity. And remember, the digital landscape is ever evolving, presenting new opportunities and challenges along the way. But with the right mindset, strategies, and perseverance, you can carve out your own path to financial independence in the vast expanse of the internet. So, whether you're a budding entrepreneur looking to escape the 9-to-5 grind, or a seasoned digital nomad seeking to scale your online empire, this channel is your ultimate resource for all things internet business. As we embark on this journey together, it's essential to understand that success in the online world isn't just about luck. It's about strategy, determination, and adaptability. Each step we take brings us closer to our goal of earning $10,000 a month in internet revenue. But it requires dedication and a willingness to learn and evolve. So let's dive deeper into the symbiotic system, the cornerstone of our strategy for achieving financial success online. The symbiotic system is all about maximizing your reach and income by leveraging multiple platforms and revenue streams. Take, for example, our hypothetical YouTube channel dedicated to artificial intelligence. While YouTube may be your primary platform for content creation, don't overlook the potential of other mediums like blogs and TikTok. By repurposing your content and tailoring it to each platform's audience, you can cast a wider net and attract more viewers and more revenue. But it's not just about spreading yourself thin across multiple platforms. It's also about maximizing the monetization potential of each channel. Instead of settling for meager ad revenue, explore alternative revenue streams like affiliate marketing and product endorsements. For instance, by partnering with companies and promoting high-ticket courses or products relevant to your niche, you can earn substantial commissions while providing value to your audience. Now, let's talk about efficiency versus scalability. Method 8 emphasizes streamlining your processes and delegating tasks as your business grows. By automating repetitive tasks and outsourcing non-core activities, you free up more time to focus on high-impact tasks that drive growth and revenue. It's all about working smarter, not harder, to maximize your efficiency and productivity. On the other hand, Method 9 encourages investing in high-leverage ventures that offer exponential returns over time. Owning a YouTube channel is a prime example of a high-leverage asset. It requires an upfront investment of time and effort to create and promote content. But once established, it can generate passive income streams. Symbiotic strategies for online content growth. Content creators are constantly seeking innovative ways to expand their reach and engage with audiences across various platforms. One such strategy gaining traction is the symbiotic system, a method that harnesses the power of multiple platforms working together in harmony. This article delves into the intricacies of this strategy, offering insights, examples, and practical tips to unlock its full potential. Understanding the strategy. The symbiotic system revolves around the concept of utilizing complementary platforms to amplify content reach and engagement. By strategically repurposing content and tailoring it to suit the unique characteristics of each platform, creators can tap into new audiences and foster meaningful interactions. Actionable insights. Identifying complementary platforms. The first step in implementing the symbiotic system is identifying platforms that complement the creator's primary content hub. For instance, a fitness YouTuber may find platforms like TikTok ideal for sharing quick workout tips and blogs suitable for in-depth guides and tutorials. Developing a content repurposing strategy. Tailoring content for each platform is crucial. Creators should repurpose long-form content into bite-sized snippets for platforms like TikTok, while also crafting comprehensive blog posts that delve deeper into the topic to cater to different audience preferences. Real-life example. Consider a fitness influencer with a robust YouTube channel. By embracing the symbiotic system, they repurpose snippets of their workout videos for TikTok, captivating viewers with quick tips and motivational snippets. Simultaneously, they create detailed blog posts on their website, offering comprehensive workout routines and nutrition advice. Practical tips. Leveraging analytics. Creators should utilize platform analytics to gain insights into audience demographics, preferences, and engagement metrics. This data helps in understanding what resonates with the audience on each platform, enabling creators to tailor their content strategy accordingly. Tailoring content formats. Adapting content formats and messaging to suit each platform's unique characteristics ensures maximum engagement. While TikTok thrives on short, attention-grabbing videos, blogs allow for in-depth exploration and discussion. Engagement and iteration. Engaging with the audience. Active engagement across all platforms fosters a sense of community and connection. Responding to comments, messages, and feedback encourages cross-platform interactions, further enhancing reach and engagement. Monitoring performance and iterating. Regularly monitoring content performance and iterating based on insights is essential for optimization. Creators should identify trends, patterns, and areas for improvement to refine their content strategy over time. Continued innovation, experimentation, and collaboration. Embracing creativity, experimentation, and collaborative partnerships with other creators or brands across different platforms can drive further growth and success. The symbiotic system offers content creators a powerful tool for expanding their reach and engagement in the digital realm. By implementing actionable insights, leveraging real-life examples, and adopting practical tips, creators can maximize the effectiveness of this strategy and unlock new opportunities for growth and success. The symbiotic system offers content creators a powerful tool for expanding their reach and engagement in the digital realm. By implementing actionable insights, leveraging real-life examples, and adopting practical tips, creators can maximize the effectiveness of this strategy and unlock new opportunities for growth and success.